Hello everyone, I am gonna teach you how to download and install FreeCam for Windows. Open any web browser, search FreeCam 8 or FreeCam. Click on the first link. In this website, enter your email address here, abc5@gmail.com. This is my email, and click on download. The FreeCam installer will download. Before I have been downloaded, so I will click on that. You will get the UI like this. Press install, wait for it to install it. So installation is done. Press finish. The application will get open now. To start the recording, press on new recording. You can see change it for full screen. This is cancel button. Settings. In this you can change for the resolution. So press recording. You can see now it will start recording. To end the record, you need to press escape. See, you can see that recorded has been saved here.